All right, so we are coming to the end of chapter 8, and so it's time for us to kind of review and regroup before we move on to chapter 9. So we are going to be doing some analysis and synthesis of material that we have read about and learned about. So you are going to think about everything you've read in chapter 8, the videos you've seen, the activities we have done around the topic of Reconstruction in Virginia. Choose one topic to analyze more closely using the plus minus interesting or point of view critical and creative thinking strategy. Read the chapter, re-watch videos, and review classwork if necessary. Topics include Rebuilding Virginia, Hard Times, Jim Crow Days, Virginia on the Go, and Machines Roar. So obviously if you choose Jim Crow Days, there's nothing positive about that. So PMI would not be the best choice. It would be a better choice to do point of view. So I'm looking here at point of view. So you think about perhaps the point of view of someone who is affected by Jim Crow laws in a negative way, an African American person. And look at look at a situation, a specific situation, and what is the evidence and reasons that this person would be affected in the way or have the point of view that they do, and then look at a differing point of view, which in that case is going to be negative. It's going to be a terrible point of view. So think about that. If you are looking at Virginia on the Go, in that case, plus minus interesting might be a perfectly fine choice. So you're looking at how did this have a positive impact on Virginia? How did it have a negative impact on Virginia? Machines Roar would be another good one for positive, plus minus interesting. So that's going to be your work that you need to finish up before May the 14th. So you have a whole week to work on it. You only need to do one. You do either plus minus interesting or point of view. You don't have to do both. All right, so I will look forward to seeing what you come up with. Thanks. See you soon. Bye.